Read these tips before your next camping trip. It was not that long ago that camping was the vacation of choice among families. Packing up the tent, the cooking utensils and the car full of food and heading off to a natural spot to enjoy lots of fresh air, non-electronic games and sometimes a spot of fishing. If this is not a treat you have yet enjoyed, read on for some great ideas for your next camping trip. If you are camping at a public campground, make sure you pack shower shoes for everyone in your party. Not only will they protect your feet from the bacteria on the shower floor, but they are great for those nighttime runs to the bushes when you need to use the restroom. They can be old flip-flops, Crocs, or even slip-ons. When you decide to go camping, you want to make sure that you bring a flashlight with some batteries. You want to be able to see in the middle of the night just in case you have to get up and go to the bathroom, or just to move around. Be certain that your tent has enough space for both yourself and whoever else comes with you. This will allow you to sleep more comfortably and get up easier during the night when you need to use the bathroom. Pour out any water that has accumulated in your freezer each day. You want to do this to prevent the ice inside from melting into the water. It is also a good idea because any contaminants that have entered the water from foods you have in, can be poured off. Collect more wood than you think you are going to need. Unless you go camping every day, you probably don't have an accurate idea of what enough wood actually looks like. You can always leave the extra wood in a pile as a gift for anyone that uses the campsite after you. Giving yourself enough time to enjoy your camping trip is key. Plan out your trip far in advance and get a couple of days off from work if possible. You want to enjoy yourself camping for at least a few days, that way you feel like you got the full experience out of it. While camping seems synonymous with a campfire, that campfire doesn't necessarily have to be made from wood. In fact, it might be safer and easier to use a portable campfire unit powered by propane. For the most part, these units are permitted unless there is a fire ban in place. Marshmallows taste just as good from these units as they do over an open, wood-burning fire, too. Take along plenty of drinking water. You need to stay hydrated, and you will need the water to prepare your food. Depending on the nature of your camping trip, this water may also be needed for cleanup and washing of the hands. It is better to bring along more than you need than not enough. So there you have it. A camping trip can be as simple or as complicated as you want it to be. Once you have purchased or borrowed the minimum camping basics, the country is your oyster and you are only limited by the amount of time you have and how far you can travel. Enjoy! Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.